Hello, everybody, and welcome in. Just now getting started. Apologies for that if you were waiting. This week got a lot going on. We're starting to pick up steam a little bit on, shopping around this human digital twin idea. So, I've been talking to lots of folks about that, and working on trying to get our initial technical prototype up and running. So there is a new edition of the Backdrop Build Hackathon, in which we participated last time for V3 to get the basics of the avatar interaction environment running, and we're quite successful, I think, doing that. Definitely generated some buzz, got a lot of work done, felt really good. So hoping to do the same kind of thing this time with V4, but now focusing sort of specifically on doing the avatar creation part of it. So not just the interaction, but actually getting your personality set up and having it work with RAG, which is Retrieval Augmented Generation. So that's kind of the thing that we're aiming towards. But of course, we still have some of the issues from the last streams, plural, to work through. So you may have noticed in the title of this stream, we are planning on fighting with SwiftUI some more. So I don't know how long it's going to take. I have an idea for how to fix the issues we're having. Don't know for sure. So gonna, I guess, time box it to this stream for getting it fixed. Otherwise, I'm gonna find a different solution, I think. I got my afternoon coffee. So I am ready. So I want to start off, I think, by demoing where we got to last time. So let me get our demo environment set up. And we can dive into checking that stuff out. How are we on levels? I gotta check all my levels again because I haven't been doing a good job of that. I think we're good. We seem good. The levels look good. If people are there, let me know. I'm gonna turn this up just a smidge, I think. There we go. I think that's probably gonna be good. Good enough for government work. Okay. Other things that we're doing. Let's see here. Why are you all the way over there? There we go. Recenter stuff. All right. Amazing. Okay. So, I guess just the first thing that we're gonna do is let's open Air server so that we can stream. All right, let's do that. Here we go. Streaming. Awesome. And then we can pop over to mixed reality view. Yeah, there we go. Hello. Hello, mixed reality. Oh, I guess the other thing I'll do later is I'll pull up Twitch chat in here again too. For right now, let's just open the... No, the app's no longer available. I don't know why it sometimes decides that it's just no longer available, but that's okay. Let's push it from Xcode, and I'll show you where we're at from Xcode. Needs a build device. Okay. I guess here we can connect. Like this. There we go. Now at least we've got Xcode view open too. All right, here we go. It's pushing. Okay, so what we're gonna see, this is our chat, our avatar chat / interaction application that we built. Now we're defaulting to me as the avatar, based on the current use case. Which again, if you haven't been around, we're really targeting the idea of interacting with people that you know, or creating your own avatar for essentially preserving your legacy, your memory, after you're no longer here. So, hey. I'm just going to send just a hey. Okay, so this is the thing that we're fighting with right now, is that we've got the sent messages showing up, but not the received messages. Like if I look over here in my Xcode window, let me just put my coffee down. We can see, can I zoom in? Okay, good. Let's make that much bigger. I'll bring it physically closer to my face. So, messages. Hey there, how can I help you today? That's a received message. So the problem is that we are not updating the underlying object. And I suspect it's because we have different instances, because these are in different modules. So, yeah, okay. And that even kind of gave me an error. Message history not found. So, yeah. Basically, what my idea is this time is because this SwiftUI bridge is in the Unity framework module, I want to create the shared data structure in this module because the Unity Vision OS module is already importing the Unity framework module. So I think that we might be able to just use it there if it's declared and instantiated in Unity framework. That's my hunch. I guess I can ask ChatGPT about that too. Okay, oh, it was also asking it about Facebook APIs. But let's ask about Vision OS View Management. Oh, I was signed out. What's going on? Log in. Great. Facebook, key VisionOS. There we go. All right, so back to VisionOS, ChatGPT. Yeah. Here, before I start mucking about, let's also go. And I think that's going to just be black. Okay, one sec. I gotta open. On desktop. Okay, and then there we go. Now you should have it. Perfect. Okay, so that's Mac desktop now. Beautiful. Oh yeah. And let me open chats. I keep saying I'm going to do that, but I'm going to do it for real now. I feel like now there's been a new update. We're on version like 1.02, and I feel like eye tracking is actually better for me now. Could also possibly be because I recently recalibrated the eyes, because I've been using this thing for demos a bunch recently. But yeah, it definitely it feels better than even 1.01 did, I think. Let me pop out chat. Pop out chat. Is that we go. And then there's the whole great panel. I dig it. Go back to chat. Okay, great. Good stuff. So, I wanted to ask ChatGPT a question. So I'm talking about, what was the last thing I asked it? I was definitely saying like, it lines up. So it seems like putting the view what gives. Interesting. It's just 3. Actually, let me ask it. Oh, I already closed it, but I was gonna say I could type one more thing. So question: if I declare an environment object in one module, can I reference it in a different module? Okay, this is, I think, the sort of crux of the issue that we're having. Is the cross-module stuff. Okay. Other structs. The module where it is defined. Okay, and it's using that publish notation too, which I'm pretty sure I did use. Publish. Let's double check though. Good. Nice and big. Nice and big. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to uncheck Unity Framework from here. There's that button. Good. And maybe what we do... Well, I'm wondering if we can put it in a different file and have Unity automatically copy it for us. Let's see if SwiftUI Bridge provides some info in its documentation. Okay, Hello World Content View. Swift is inside Swift. Swift is nearby window group. Aha, interesting. Hello World Content View. Oh my goodness, is inside Swift App Support. Okay. Oh no, that's not quite... Okay, never mind. The Swift App Support is getting built into Unity Vision OS Xcode Target. Okay. So this is what we kind of have already. Any file named blah 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 injected scene will be moved to Unity Vision OS. Okay, and that does seem to be the case here. Okay, but I just want this one to be... I don't know if at this point is expected these options to be global, not be specific. This is a hack to create environment values instance. Okay, so this hack is what we have to kind of work with. Call menu option callback. Okay. So the ones that we want to call from C# are declared with the cdecl decorator. Okay, we can set the callbacks. This is the guy that we care about. So it's complaining about message history here. And there is an annoying input warning that continues to pop up, and they still haven't fixed that in 1.02. Okay, but chat view. So this stuff, let's just move it. Yeah. Let's put it inside the bridge. I'm just gonna drop it in here. Okay, and then there's like this static stuff. I'm just gonna stick it before the static stuff. Chat message, okay. What was actually Unity or ChatGPT telling me? So in the observable object, did I have it as published? I did. And then import the module. Okay, so this is, I think, yo, what's up, Lisa? How's it going today? What we are up to is we're building some stuff in SwiftUI. Working for Vision, trying to get it working on Vision Pro. What's your... Yeah, so for me, it's going good. Going good. I'm fighting with this stuff a little bit. I'm trying to get ChatGPT to help me come up with some solutions. Yeah, we're gonna see where we get. You don't happen to be a pro Apple developer, do you? Yeah, the issue that we're having, it's Well, so essentially, we have a chat window that we're trying to create in the Vision OS, but we weren't getting our received messages. So, my thinking is that it could be that we were declaring these things in different modules. Oh, now my cursor's being funky. But yeah, I don't know a whole ton about how Swift operates, so it's a little bit trial and error for the moment. So what we're trying right now is we're going to try to put this observable object representing the message history inside the more base level module, which is what we're calling Unity Framework here. Well, I guess Unity decides on the name. And then we're going to try to import that into the other module where we consume it. So you're a website developer, right on. What kind of languages and stuff do you work with normally? Let's see. What do we got? Also, SEO professionalist. Awesome. That is also something for which I don't have a whole ton of experience, but would really love to understand more of. Yeah, especially because I would love to have some SEO for my website once I kind of get this stuff public. Okay, awesome. So we've cleared up at least the warning here. So what kind of stuff have you been working on? Anything big? Anything major? Anything you can share? Yeah, awesome. Chapter next. Okay. Messages inaccessible due to internal protection level. Okay, so this has to be public. This might have been the issue before too. Published. It should be public. Is that how that works? How do I declare that? Let's double check. Yeah, published public var. Okay. You know what? I bet that was the issue before too. But let's just do this. Public. Great. Save it. Have been declared public because uses an internal type. All right. Chat message. This is also public. There we go. I think we're getting somewhere. ID must be declared public because, yep, public var. I think all of this stuff should be right. All of this stuff is just... we want to be able to use it from outside this module. Okay, how about that? Good. Getting there. Message history append. Okay, and that's the next one. Okay, so then these are also public. Amazing. We're doing it. We're doing it. Yeah, okay. Fantastic. Let's try this. Let's see what happens. Actually, wait. One thing I want to check. Is it main menu? Or is it... no, it's the injected scene. Okay. So where we are... yeah, okay. We have to also import it here. Imports Unity Framework. There we go. Good. We declare the environment object to be the shared message history because it is a singleton instance. Shares, construct it. Beautiful. Okay, I think we're good now. Let's go. Oh, excellent. Glad to see you on the stream then. Yeah, I do remember seeing you pop in on the Discord. Fantastic. Well, yeah, welcome to the first time I've seen you around on Twitch. Let's pop over to mixed reality view, and y'all can take a look at this. There we go. As soon as it launches. Except it's actually my website. Oh, my B. I will do that. Faux show. Alright, here we go. Okay, number one, just move my avatar over here. Alright, chat window, it's you and me, let's go. Oh my god. If I can type in it. Just a hey, I'm just gonna send a hey. Hey. No, it's still not. It's not adding it. Why not? But hey, we did, interestingly, okay, this is new though. We did receive the messages updated callback. Which in chat view, we call here. So I think we did actually, we did do something here. I don't know why it's not showing up now. Ha! It did. It just didn't scroll. We did it. We did it. I was right. Okay, so it was just a modules permissions problem. Fantastic. That's so good. All right. Which means we can move on to other stuff. I love that so much. I don't even think I need this refresh chat button anymore. I can probably delete that. But let's see. Can I... I'm going to try to use my real keyboard. Can I? No. Input is being weird again. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it's real weird. So on Vision Pro, there's this feature where, like, if you are connected to your MacBook, you can use your mouse and keyboard on Vision OS, like native Windows, but sometimes it just doesn't work. It's weird. I don't know. It's Tuesday. Tell me about yourself. Send. Sweet. Yeah, that's working. But we just have to make it auto scroll. Yeah, buddy. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT how we do that. Oh yeah, by the way, this chat is powered by ChatGPT on the back end itself. So I just set up like a character card essentially to respond in my voice with some of my knowledge, so that you can have a chat with me. Cool. Let's see. Let me see if I can use dictation. So if let me tap away and back. It's not bringing up the on-screen keyboard. Maybe because I used my regular keyboard. Hold on, let me close this window and reopen it. Yeah, no. Also weird that doesn't work 100% of the time either. I don't know what the deal with that is. Oh yeah, well, hey, there's a couple other avatars that I had on here too that I was just like trying stuff out with. If you want to see, I've got Steamboat Willie. So animations are also kind of broken for some reason. I think it's a Unity bug because it works in Editor and it works if I preview on the device, but not if I actually like build and deploy. So I don't know what's up with that. And it's only some avatars too, like VRM, Vroid avatars work fine. She's got her little dance she'll do. There you go, Gangnam Style. Then we got you with physics. You got the physics ears. The giant boing bone bunny. You're rad. Love that. Little mushroom man. It's kind of, you got some little bouncy mushrooms here too. For the good head pats. I was just trying out some avatars from different pipelines. Yeah, I can see chat too. I got chat up. And what else we got? I think, was that it? Yeah, that was it. All right, so I'm gonna close that for now. Stop. Slide you back over, and then I can go back to desktop. Oh yeah, for sure. Okay, let me. I can pop on Discord real quick. I accept. I accepted. Oh yeah, there is actually a Discord app for Vision Pro. Yeah, I can, which is handy. I can open that here too. I don't want to visit the shop, but yeah, I won't worry about it right now. But it does also have a Vision version. All right, let's see, where are we at? Yes, please. Yeah, I'd love to see the stuff you're working on. All right. Oh yeah, let's ask ChatGPT how to auto scroll. Awesome. Okay, so let's see. What do I want to say? If I have a, what is it? A list view? A scroll view. I have a scroll view. How do I automatically scroll to the bottom when things are added? And I gotta say though, having ChatGPT nowadays is very, very nice. And I haven't even signed up for a kind of real, let's say, Copilot application. I've just been using the ChatGPT fine tunes to do this stuff, and it's working just fine. So there's messages in the chat interface requires managing the scroll position programmatically. SwiftUI does not natively support this out of the box. What? That's crazy. How does SwiftUI not natively support that? Well, whatever. I guess this will just do it then. scroll up here. I gotta scroll a million times with my scroll wheel because it's the cross-platform support for this mouse isn't great. Alright, let's see. Scroll View Reader provides a way to programmatically program scroll view. Okay. Oh, alright. Well, that's okay then. Yours getting itchy. Send it to you. Beautiful. Let's take a look. Let's see. I can pull that up actually. Here, let's pop to. Let's do Windows Desktop for a sec. So I've got Windows open over there. So let's take a look at Lisa's work. Pretty slick. Looks nice. Looks nice. Gallery. What do they got? Okay. Look at those shipping containers. Those are some beautiful shipping containers. You have another one on here too? Let's see, that was the first one. Cool. And then, yeah, awesome. So check out Lisa's work. Very cool. Thank you for sharing. I don't need to be mixed reality. Let's just do Mac. Where's my, there we go, remote desktop cursor. Very cool. And what do you develop with? Kind of straight HTML, CSS, JavaScript. What's your poison? Didn't listen to the beat. Oh shoot! I missed the beat. Okay, let's check out your beats. Okay, let me pause this here too. Let's do it. Smooth. Nice. Yeah, I'm digging this. This is nice. Ooh, that bass. Sick. Yeah, thanks for that too. These for more than 7 years. Nice. What's up, Dukasoft? How's it going? What's your DAW, Lisa? Where do you produce music? All right, let's implement this scroll view reader shenanigans. Okay, so scroll view reader, scroll view. Okay, that's inside the scroll view. It is. Okay, scroll view. Great. Okay, so that's going to you. That's for the for each. That's wrapping the for each. Yeah, yeah. Do that like that. I think we don't need these IDs anymore. That was kind of for debugging purposes. I'm just going to comment it. Okay, Alexa. Alexa, arrête. Merci. Non, arrête. Alexa. Oh my God. What are you doing? Alexa. Arrête. This is terrible. Why? How did she decide that this was what was happening? Why won't she listen to me? Alexa. Arrête. There. Jeez. Oh my God. Lisa, doing editing, doing SEO, making custom beats, doing art. Man, you're doing everything. You're a woman of many talents. Yeah, who's Alexa? Damn it, Duca. Don't make me say her name. All right, let's try implementing this thing. Dot on change. Okay, I'm just gonna copy and paste this chunk of code. So sweet and funny. So what can I do for you? Yeah, well, I mean, nothing right now. Just chill. Just have a good time. You know, take it easy. Let me know if you've got any anything that you want to discuss around, you know, specifically mixed reality, or I guess these days, digital human characters. That's what you can do for me. Shift tab. Change of messages. Cannot find messages in scope. Why not? Oh, I need to refer to it like this. Yeah. Oh, I see. Paste. Yeah, beauty. I think that's it. That's it. Okay. I cannot find scroll view. What did I call the scroll view? Scroll view. It's not. That's not in scope. What can I make? Can I make a logo for your channel? I'm not really looking for that right now, but thank you. I do appreciate the interest. Make your channel attractive. Thank you, Lisa. You know, like I said, do appreciate it, but not looking for it right now. What I would like to know, though, is why scroll view is not in scope. I feel like I declared that up here, didn't I? This is not the same thing. Scroll view reader. Okay, where? On change. Okay, the on change is Okay, it's inside. Got you. It's inside there. That's probably... Okay. I think this has got to go inside. Like this, yeah? Attach it to this for each. On array, okay. So this is going to complain. Referencing instance method on change on array requires that chat message conform to equitable. Oh, I forgot that you were making. Okay. Yeah, so basically, what we're making is an app that lets you interact with digital humans in mixed reality. So let's run it again. Now that I've built it, it should be deployed. Also, in case anybody else popped on. Yeah, beautiful. So let me just pop over to mixed reality view real quick. So the idea is that you can create a digital twin of yourself. So for example, I'm creating myself here as a sort of guinea pig. So I have, first of all, my appearance that I've created on an avatar. And I'm also working on being able to chat with these characters as well, using, where's that other window that I just made work? There it is, it's in behind stuff. There we go. So yeah, using AI, also being able to then chat with me. Yeah, and it's not giving me the virtual keyboard. It only seems to do that sometimes. So that is a bug to fix. But here, let's use this one then. Hi, Jeff. Yeah, and then I will respond in my voice with some of my knowledge. Whoop. Yeah, so there you go. Gonna be working on doing stuff like hooking up the text to speech so that the avatar will talk like me as well and sound like me, which we have working in another demo, but I will need to hook that up, get that working on Vision Pro. That'll be one of the next steps. Maybe get to that on stream today. Try to get that stuff hooked up. For Duca, who popped in a little bit later, dude, yeah, we got the SwiftUI stuff working, which is amazing. So now we've got the full kind of end-to-end chat experience. And I don't even need this refresh chat button. I'm gonna get rid of it. But yeah, that's what we're doing, and that's where we're at. I'm gonna close that window. And not that one. There's a couple little quality of life things I'd like to implement too. Just, you know, like if windows get closed, a way to bring them back and stuff like that. For now, let's do this little bit of polish just because it was top of mind. Let's see. We can try what ChatGPT suggested here and wrap it in a VStack. Reach scroll view in. Okay, they have the VStack. There's multiple VStacks. Interesting. Well, let's try it. What's the worst that can happen? Okay. This is still the same. Okay. So this does still give me that error. So I'll just get rid of that then. And then let's go to chat message. And I guess make it conform to, what did it say? Equitable. Equatable? Equitable? Equatable. It's got to be equatable. You understand it? Did it have anything over here? It was talking about messages, which is just a string. Okay, I guess sure. Let's just tell ChatGPT, and have it help us fix it. And message, blah blah blah. So you want digital humans? Yeah, exactly. Digital humans. And in particular, we're looking at the use case of helping people preserve their memory, their legacy, after they pass away. So trying to use the data that they already have, that they've generated over time on places like Facebook, Instagram, being able to just have them log in and as one step, basically, create this representation that they can then use wherever they want, including in this kind of application. Thank you. How can I help you? Well, yeah. I mean, like I said, not too much right now. I probably need. Well, yeah. I need developers. More than anything, I think at the moment. But what I want to do first is just get this this prototype up and running. So my steps is basically get this prototype working, put a little video together so that I can show off how it works, start getting people to sign up on a website to start generating some traction around it. So stay tuned, I think, is the long and short of it. Is we will definitely need some help shortly, but for now, stay tuned. Blah blah blah. So this is sure smooth scrolling. Okay, it's just explaining it. Okay, I have an error. Okay, let's put it in and close it in double quotes. How do I fix it? What about I make you great? Yeah, we're not already great? Thanks, Lisa. Okay. Changes the chat messages on this work. Needs to be equitable. Subject determine how I'm going to change occurred. Okay. Or equatable, right? So it just needs to implement equatable. Also for an invitation for the double equals operator. Okay. Do y'all know if Swift supports multiple inheritance? Because right now, that guy is... Where'd he go? Injected scene? No, bridge. Right now it's identifiable. Oh, I can make a website which promote your work. Lisa, thank you for offering, but please lay off on solicitation for a little bit, or I'm going to time you out, okay? Don't cry, I still love you. I just don't want chat flooded with sales. Let's see. Can I... Let's ask to Swift. So we're all learning Swift UI together still. Does Swift UI support multiple inheritance? Can I derive from both equatable and what was the other one? Identifiable. Identifiable. Cool. You free to talk on Discord? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, let's carry on the conversation on Discord then. Is not supported. So there's single inheritance for classes, can run only from one superclass. You can form from multiple protocols. Okay. Flexibility. Okay, that's fine. They are protocols, not classes. Okay, well, great. So then we can conform to both. Okay, so that is common practice. So I just derive from both equitable, I keep saying that, equatable and identifiable. Parfait. Let's do that. And then I just need this. Yeah, here. Viable and equatable. Oh, let's page down. Paste. All right. Public static. Okay. Now, so we want to go LHS dot ID, I guess. And RHS equals ID and text and sender. Okay. So we're going to say in message. Let's just compare messages. And we don't need this. Okay, that looks good. And then back in chat view. Great. That goes away. And then we're just left one more error. Requires that chat message conform to hashable. Okay. Scroll view proxy. Is that the case? I wonder if that's the case if I wrap it in another VStack. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Like ChatGPT did? It's possible. They didn't. So let's try it. Let's try wrapping this for each in a VStack. Nope. Same thing. Okay. Alright. So it wanted it to be hashable. Okay. Do I need to implement any members? Great. Let's see. Do I need any functions for the hashable? What do they call it? It's not a class, it is a protocol? It's a protocol. Okay. Not an interface. It's not an interface. Let's see. Yes. Okay. I need to implement something. We use this keys and dictionary collection, and it builds on the equitable protocol by also requiring. Oh, it builds on equitable. So if it must first conform to equitable. Okay, so I can just call it hashable instead of equitable, and then I have to also implement this hash function. Like so. And then let's hash. Make it public, I guess is what you're complaining about. ID, make this message. This one I'm going to delete. Is fine. I don't need his current user. Super. So now back up here. OnChange was deprecated. Alright. Use OnChange with a 2 or 0 parameter action closure instead. Alright, well what's parameter 2 then? ChatGPT, help me out. Warning. Ah! Stop. Warning. What is the... I'll just say like... Tell me what these... What the 2 parameter closure takes. Okay. Oh, it doesn't know. Okay, I guess let's do it the old-fashioned way. Oh, this is pretty new. This is for iOS 17. his signature on change of initial. Oh. These are different. Okay. The first uses the value, which means initial, and action. Action closure takes no parameters. Yeah, okay, good. To pass anything into our closure to get the value. So the value comes along for the ride automatically. Thus we have 0 arguments coming into our action closure. Okay. Second link points to similar version being 2 values. Old value and new value. Okay. Failed the comparison check, or the initial value when requested, the new value that failed the comparison check. Okay. Okay. Current looks something like this up until now, with 1 argument coming in. Selected icon, yeah. Something like this today. And yeah, draw the tag in bits, and using selection icon argument instead. Again, adopt the new preferred way on change. Sends the exit warning. Oh, I see. So that's the thing. Okay, I think we're not using this anyway, so I can delete that, right? Interesting. That's interesting. Okay, cool. That looks like no more errors, no more warnings. Let's go. Feel like we're rocking now. We're cooking with Swift these days. Feeling a lot more comfortable than a couple weeks ago, than when we first started this, at least. Build succeeded. All right, let's go. Mixed reality view. I should turn on my backgrounds for this too. Oh yeah, it doesn't do it when I'm deploying. Never mind. I just like the backgrounds. I forget it keeps turning them off. Oh, my dog left. Alright, let's see. Plop you there. Let's grab my chat window. Alright, chat window. Oh, there's my virtual keyboard. Don't know why, just sometimes. Anyway, let's try dictation. Hey, Jeff. That didn't seem to scroll. Message history is a message at the last, anchored bottom. Okay, because that's interesting. Because when we get the message change. So if we kind of look at, I'm gonna try one more thing here before I delete that update button. Actually, I commented out the ID thing, so I'm gonna uncomment that out because I think I can try something. So, whoops, as I punched my microphone. The thing that I noticed is if I scroll up here, well, messages updated. So this guy said that we had 4 messages, which was true before we add the new message. So this seems to be a callback timing issue. It's calling on receive. At the time it receives a new message, but before it's updated the collection. So we'll see where... Oh, it's over here. Right. Okay. Hi, Jeff. Yeah, there we go. See, so it tells us we have 4 messages, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4. But actually, we have 5. So I'm going to try one more thing. Tell me about yourself. Interestingly, it didn't even scroll. So that was 4, 5, 6. I think that doesn't seem to do anything, actually. Yeah, messages updated 5. So do we have 6 now? We should have 7, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. Okay. Interesting. So, yeah, that stuff not quite working. And actually, like, since we've got that virtual keyboard and the OS native speech-to-text input, I'm not going to worry about implementing Whisper or anything like that. We'll just go with the built-in one. I think that seems to be working fine. We can just implement the text-to-speech side of it. Which maybe we'll do... I want to see... Let's do just a smidge more on this, because we're in the weeds. I want to see if we can make this auto-scroll work, and then we can switch over to do the text-to-speech. So let's go back to... Alright, we fixed that warning. Beautiful. Here, let me zoom in on this guy a little bit more too. I forgot that that's a pretty small font. Oh, and switch back to... Oh, I don't know if that captured it. I think that might have just captured it on the Mac side. Let's see. Did it? No, it did. Okay. Yeah, now that I'm going back and forth between Windows and Mac, I need to switch my OBS hotkeys to not be the Mac screenshot keys, because I'm getting a bunch of random screenshots that I'm capturing all over the place now, and I'm like, where is that? That was just me switching views. Okay, so that was asking about that warning. Let's go back up to the scrolling stuff. Okay. So here is the on change with animation. Scroll view dot scroll to. Okay, maybe now I'll implement that VStack. Maybe this will be useful now? I don't know. ChatGPT really likes having a VStack there. And then this is on change of that. Not sure, but let's give it a shot. That was a quick change to make. And then I need to make sure I copy all of these code changes over to the real source files, because I'm kind of working in just the build directory. All right. Let's try this again. I don't even care where I stand. Main window. I only care about this chat window. Hey, Jeff. No. Okay. So let's point that out to ChatGPT. Maybe you can help with that. Okay, interesting. So that's on receive, on change. Let's see. You know what I'll do? I'm gonna copy. Let's try that at least. Let's see if we're getting this called at all. Yeah, not like having that ID seems to have helped here either. Perfect. Yeah, I only care about this one. Hey, Jeff. Okay, all right. So this is interesting there. That seems to be correct now, actually. So we got the callback. We have, and it tells us we have messages 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is actually correct. But this doesn't seem to be doing anything. So, what's the deal? What's the deal there? Messages.last ID. Scroll to. .id. Okay, and this is for each messages ID /.id. These messages have a message ID. Yeah. Okay. Let's look up, like, just Swift docs. We'll probably do that, eh? Swift documentation. Scroll to anchor. How does this work? Okay, scroll to ID, the identifier of a child view to scroll to. All right. All right, so we do want to do it, I think, like this. Messages, ID. And the ID of the message we get, and then we go messages.last if it's not null. .last question mark .id. Cool. I like that syntax. I assume that's the same, doing the same thing as it is in C#, like just kind of doing a null coalescing access. So gonna check if last is equal to null. If it's not, then we're gonna use the ID. That's my assumption. Okay, let's try that. Over here. Nice. Okay, that's working now. Hey, Jeff. Hey there. Yep, Jeff here. Okay, that didn't work either. We're almost there, though. I'm feeling close. Swift UI. Maybe with animation is giving it a problem. One more thing to try here. Oops. Before I give up on this, or at least have to go ask for more help. Okay. Which window is which? I should make the chat window default a bit bigger, I think. Hey Jeff, what's up? How did that, why is that? That was weird. Still no scroll though. All right. Okay. Are we getting any errors? We got our messages updated. That's here. And then just this stuff. But this is just spam that we've been getting. So, I don't know. Well, let's go back to desktop anyway. Alright, ChatGPT. Ensure correct use of on-change. Okay, there's more steps. Let's keep reading. Value actually changes in the way the switch can detect. Okay, so it must be able to assume such as the equatable conformance. On-change isn't triggering. Print statements or breakpoints. Okay, on-change is triggering. So on-change is triggering when new items are added to, what was the thing? To my scroll view. But it still isn't scrolling. What's going on? A few reasons. Alright, let's debug. Make sure that the ID used in scroll anchor is correct and unique for each item. I don't know what I'm scroll to. I guess we can print that as well, yeah. Messages updated. Okay, let's see. Message count. On-change. You know what? Let's Shift T. Let's open some of those other ones. I actually want to look at these. Initial. Here's two values. Old value, new value. On change. Message history dot messages. Okay, it's interestingly, because I think messages itself is the thing that's changing. Message count. Let's add a couple printfs. Message count. Message ID. Let's get this guy. Like that. String interpolation produces a debug description for an optional value. Describing the sounds this morning. Debug description for an optional value. So let's not do that then. Okay, here we go. Interesting. ID could not be inferred. This could be an issue. This was maybe just getting covered up. Referencing instance method ID on optional requires that chat message conform to view. maybe not. That's a warning versus an error, so I don't know. But this could be something here. I mean, it definitely seems related to this ID thing. Blop. Okay. Hey, what's up? Okay, so we do seem to have an ID here. Okay, and so those are unique. I wonder if it like changed somewhere. Okay. Okay, there's lots of stuff that told me to look at. Check scroll view ID. On change. So for each text, so ID message. You know what we can do? I've got an idea. So let's say message.id. Let's do that. Okay. Can I force that to be a string? Text string. Just do that. Cast it. Initializer. Init. Text. String like that is out. Like that. Is that what you're complaining about? Whoa. Yes, it was your Swift UI.text. So I guess I can't do that. Okay, let's see. Let's go Swift cast UUID to string. How do we do that? UUID string. Okay. Message.id dot UUID string like that. Okay. I think like that. Let's try this. Let's see now what each of these UUIDs is going to be. Get out of the way. You too. Great. Awesome. Now we've got some messages and their UUIDs. Hey, Jeff. All right, so now let's see what's going on. So message ID optional for ACD4 AE 439. So that looks correct. That looks correct. Those match. All right, so then if that's the case, what else could be going on? Somebody message. Verify the animation log. It's correctly set up. Sometimes if the animation isn't properly configured or if the UI thread is busy, scroll action may not be visible or might be skipped. Okay, interesting. So this needs to be called from the UI thread, maybe? Check the timing of the scroll call. Works if the item hasn't been rendered yet. This hasn't been updated by the time scroll is called. The scroll won't happen. Okay, this might be what's going on then. You might need to delay it slightly to allow the UI to update. So here we go. I can do this. Let's do this. Add it to the dispatch queue. Well, here I can just wrap the outer bit. I don't have to change other stuff. Et voila. List updates in the layout. Ensure that the list is updating correctly in the layout constraints or says not preventing. Okay. That seems fine. Some cases explicitly setting size. Okay. Add print statements where we ensure the scroll dimension is called with the correct parameters. That's what you expect. Yeah, so we did that. Okay, known bugs. It says just check. All right, so now let's add it to the dispatch queue. This might help. Okay, good, cool. So we're still looking at the IDs to help us debug. Hey Jeff, what's up? That's irritating. Why you no scroll? Let's see. How about Swift UI dispatch on UI thread? UI using dispatch. Yeah, okay. So this is what we did. Place dispatch queue.main.async with dispatch queue.global.async. And all reason being all the non-UI tasks should run asynchronously off the main queue. Use the asynchronous call to the main queue itself. For the non-UI work. Okay. You will still have another issue, which will be accessing the UI elements from the non-main queue. Okay. Now I put it in the global queue. Okay, so let's say rather than .main, global, like that. Okay. Let's try that. Variable needs a little earlier. We pros are calling in SQL and adjustments as well. Okay. Your UI works because you just want to wait for touching, so it has to be. CP. Okay. Sure. Yeah, let's. Doesn't hurt. Let's try that. Let's give that a quick shot. Move me out of the way. Whoa. Okay, over here, that's fine. Alright, you, let's see. Hey, Jeff. I received a message. What if I click refresh? No. Maybe I'm going to change what that button does. And see if the button can scroll us. So rather than refresh, let's do that. Let's add a button that says comment that out. And button, refresh chat, scroll. Bottom. Might be useful to have that button anyway. But let's copy this. How do I reference that then? Okay, let's see. How I reference the scroll view outside the... What's the scope? Scope. G. Okay, button. Bugging. Let's see. How do we do that? Use closure. You can use scroll view reader. Okay, interesting. One part of it programmatically control the scroll position of scroll view using the provided proxy that can be referenced outside of the immediate scroll view context. Scroll view reader, scroll view, and scroll view vstack. Ah, okay, so that has to be referenced inside the scroll view reader, though, I guess. Stack, text field message. Step 2, place it outside the scroll view's direct hierarchy. Layout reasons. There's the proxy reference through state or another form of shared data management. Okay. Yeah, I guess this is what I want to do. var scroll proxy. Scroll to bottom. Observed object, scroll manager. Proxy, and then we can go scroll above. Wait, does that? But this is still. Oh no, I see. Okay, so that is outside of the scroll view reader. All right, cool. Here, scroll manager dot scroll proxy equals proxy. Okay, do I need to make this? Do I need to do... I don't know. I guess let's do this. Okay, let's manage scroll. Scroll to bottom. I guess we just want to say ID, so we'll pass him a UUID. How about that? that is the hashable ID. So let's call UUID. Let's call it message ID. Like that. I think that's how we do it, right? Message ID. Anchor bottom. So like this. Then we create observed object. It's a scroll manager. Kite, and then scroll view reader. Proxy. Let's call it the scroll proxy. And then we can do on appear. We set that up. That's scroll view. Oh, interestingly, this puts the scroll view reader outside of the scroll view. So let's, first of all, I can do this on appear. Yeah, I guess we'll fiddle that stuff around in a sec. Whoops. I do that. So scroll view reader. Scroll proxy. Scroll view stack for each. And then inner elements. Okay, then this on appear is for the scroll view. You are called scroll proxy. And then the on change is for the scroll view reader. Which is now the outer dude here. Okay, because now you're going to be scroll proxy. Actually, let me scroll up. Because we should have, this should be the same, this should be like this, right? Scroll view reader. Oh yeah, okay. That I think is good. Scroll proxy. Okay, where do we use the proxy in the below one? So you can manage the proxy reference to the serial in the form shared data management. Scroll proxy question dot scroll to. Here, I guess we should make it optional in case it's null. And then likewise, we've got this button here. Scroll manager dot scroll proxy, like so. Oh, Scroll manager, just scroll to bottom. Like that. Do I prefer programming using the goggles? It's good, I would say, in short bursts. How's it going, Scott, by the way? Yeah, so it definitely, I start to feel it on my face after a period of time. But for a couple hours at a time, yeah, it's pretty nice. It's super high resolution. I've got like a pretty big display in front of me that I can be looking at. I can have like multiple screens around. I got my chat over there, which is pretty good. So yeah, I think it's good for certain tasks for certain amounts of time. I wouldn't do it all day, every day. It does definitely kind of give me eye strain after a little bit. You have infinite amount of monitors? Not exactly. So you get exactly one virtual desktop that is synced to a Mac machine. But you can have sort of infinite amounts of other stuff. Like I can create a new new Safari window, and then I can have like more Safari windows open, and I can have as many of those as I want. But yeah, only one Mac desktop monitor for now, unfortunately. I think that is one of the biggest feature requests I've heard from people, is just allow more virtual monitors. Yeah, because having just one is definitely a limitation. And it doesn't seem like a technical issue necessarily. So I think that'll change. I think it'll change, but right now it's not the most ideal. Okay, well, let's see. So let's try out our scroll to bottom stuff. Oh, we've got closure, continue declaration. Help used with result builder view builder. Did I forget a parenthesis or something? Animation, dispatch, cool. Oh, I think I did. Yeah. But, there we go. Okay, that's better. Oh. Cannot use optional chain and not optional value. Fine then. Okay, hello, bud. Hi. What are you doing? Y'all get to meet Chrono. Chrono's here. Yeah, you're a good boy, aren't you? Yes, hello. Hello. Oh my gosh, you're being a cutie. Yeah, you're being a cutie. Yes, the internet can see you. Yes, you're on the internet. You're on Twitch. Oh. All right. Yeah. Oh, you don't like the Vision Pro. I think dogs think it's weird when you're wearing AR headset or VR. You're like looking around, you got something strapped to your face. It looks like you can't see, but you're totally looking right at them. It for sure weirds him out. Like that? Is that what it's telling me? Oh, come on. Cannot convert value of type ID Some view to expected argument type UID. Oh, because I just have to do this. There. No? ID. What is ID then? Should that not be... Is it not UID? Is it just ID?
I remember being so depressed and so sad.
Is that a thing? Is that a type? No.
And where I was like physically.
So what the hell is it talking about?
Like,
What does that mean?
like I couldn't even stand upright. I was just
Distinct argument label message ID and call. Okay. Message ID. Referencing instance method ID on an optional.
my grief feels like
Thanks. Can I convert value to UID to export value to UID? Oh my.
it feels
Oh, what the why? Hold on. All right. What is that?
because when you feel that feeling,
Let's ask ChatGPT. It'll help.
you don't know if it's ever gonna
Right,
you
and-
don't know when it's gonna feel different.
This.
It can feel all-consuming.
Okay. Ooh, ChatGPT is real slow right now. Non-optional UID as expected. Potentially email. Context that requires a reference. Non-nil value. Alright, so let's make it, let's allow it to take
When you look at it, and you
that
think-
nil,
you look at
right?
pictures and you think about memories.
And then can I just check it?
While they give you comfort,
Message ID.
you still feel that physical feeling.
Like that? Can I do that? Is that how that works?
That emptiness, that difference.
If I can type things correctly. Oh my god. Just add the E, thanks. Alright, let's try that instead. Yeah, succeeded. That's what I like to see. But let's see if it'll actually work. throw me over there. Let's type A. Okay. Did not scroll. Neither did that. Well.
Paralyzed at first. I feel.
Crud. Okay, anything else we can try? I feel like we got one more try. Okay, I'm gonna switch this to desktop mode for a sec. I feel like we can do one more try. What else can we try here?
Alone.
There's my cursor again. There it is. Okay. Okay, so that was the optional type thing. Okay, that was doing a button. Explicit content size. Possibly this is the thing. In some complex cases. I'm not sure if compute. Okay. Max for infinity. Like, I wonder if it's because I added that message in the first place, or the ID in the first place, and that it's actually like there's like a system level no, okay. Identifiable protocol. Let's look that up. Is that identifiable protocol? Use identifiable to provide a stable notion of identity to a class or value type. Var ID. Okay. Default provider required default implementation. Okay. Associated ID is cacheable. Associated instance. Okay. Default implementation of class types using object identifier. Like an object. Right, that seems fine. Var ID is self.id.
Its nature is bent on our destruction. Bad as culture is, tyrannical and bloody back as far as you can look.
ID.
As malevolent
Where's
as
ID?
you are in the darkest part of your heart.
Okay.
That's plenty malevolent. The possibility that's within you that can well up, the courage and the truth and the ability and the skill and the willingness to set things right, if you are willing to set them right, is more powerful than all of that. what you
How
most
do I
want to
implement
become
it?
will be found where you least want to look.
I don't
Essentially.
want
It's
Copilot
interesting.
answering.
It means that if you're willing to turn around and to stand up, say, and stand up straight, and face the darkness like fully, what you discover at the darkest heart
Let's see.
is the brightest light.
Is
And
that
then
ID
that's
property?
something that's so much worth discovering, because there's going to be terrible darkness in
hashable
your
type.
life. And it's going to make you cynical and bitter. And it could easily be that you're just not looking at it enough. Because if you looked at it enough,
Interesting.
and you didn't shy away and brought everything you had to bear on it, you'd find that there was more to you than there was to the horror.
Okay. Alright, well, so then that should... That does look like... It does look like I'm doing it right, I think. Do you have the hash? Yeah. Okay, that stuff was working. That stuff's all working. Yeah, it's just
That's what we are.
the scroll. Well, I guess this is going to be the thing that drives me crazy till next week, is figuring out the scroll.
That idea that we have intrinsic value.
That's okay, though. It's all mostly working end to end. This is kind of just polish.
Question that, we're going to live it out.
So, yeah. I think that'll be okay. I think that'll be okay. This is still good enough to demo if I need to. Alright, well, I think we did good. I'm going to switch back to main mode and start wrapping it up. Alright, folks. Well, yeah, thanks for popping by today. It's been fun getting to develop again. Like I said, it was a busy week, so it's always great when I get a chance to write code. I love it. Yeah, I'd also say check out the GitHub, check out the Discord, link down below if you're not there already. Till next week, good luck with all your projects, and I hope you have a great week. I will see you all next Friday. Ciao.